Hi, I'm your host Steve and welcome to Who Wants to Be Fluent?
We do.
Yes, you do. Today's questions are all about phrasal verbs. How many do you know? Let's do this. I'm going to ask you a question and you'll see 4 possible answers on the screen. You have 5 seconds to choose the right answer. Remember to keep your score as you go along and then write your total in the comments below so we can see who won. Our first question about phrasal verbs is: when you delay something until later, you A. put it on, you B. put it up, you C. put it down, or D. put it off. And the correct answer is D. Put it off. It's used like this: we had to put off the meeting until next week. Next, if you meet someone unexpectedly, you A. run into them, B. run after them, C. run through them, or D. run over them. Your time starts now. And the answer is A. You run into them. It's used like this: I ran into my old teacher at the shops yesterday. Next, what happens when your car stops working? Is it A. It breaks up, B. it breaks in, C. it breaks down, or D. it breaks out? Your time starts now. And the answer is C. It breaks down. It's used like this: my car broke down on the motorway. Next, how do you introduce a topic in conversation? Do you A. bring it down, B. bring it up, C. bring it in, or D. bring it out? Your time starts now. And the correct answer is B. You bring it up. It's used like this: don't ever bring up politics when we're eating. Next, when someone resembles their parents, they A. take after them, B. take over them, C. take under them, or D. take before them. Your time starts now. And the answer is A. Take after them. It's used like this: she really takes after her mother. Next, if you're excited about something that's going to happen in the future, you A. look back to it, you B. look up to it, you C. look forward to it, or D. you look down to it. Your time starts now. And the answer is C. You look forward to it. It's used like this: I'm looking forward to the weekend. Next, if you stop trying, you A. give in, B. give away, C. give up, or D. give out. Your time starts now. And the answer is C. Give up. It's used like this: he gave up smoking last year. Next, when someone arrives, they A. turn down, B. turn around, C. turn over, or D. turn up. Your time starts now. And the answer is D, turn up. It's used like this. He turned up late for the party. Next, having a good relationship with someone means you A, get away with them, B, get along with them, C, get over them, or D, get through with them. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is B, get along with them. It's used like this. I get along with all my colleagues. Next, when you collect something, you A, pick it up, B, pick it out, C, pick it over, or D, pick it through. Your time starts now. And the answer is A, pick it up. It's used like this. Can you pick up some milk from the shop? Next, going to the gym means you A, work in, B, work through, C, work out, or D, work over. Your time starts now. And the answer is C, work out. It's used like this. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. Next, to reduce something means to A, cut into it, B, cut through it, C, cut down on it, or D, cut up on it. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is C, cut down on it. It's used like this. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. Next, finding something by accident means you A, come under it, B, come across it, C, come over it, or D, come through it. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is B, come across it. It's used like this. I came across this old photo in the attic. Next, when plans fail to happen, they A, fall through, B, fall over, C, fall under, D, fall behind. Your time starts now. And the answer is A, fall through. It's used like this. Our holiday plans fell through at the last minute. Next, starting a new business means you A, set it down, B, set it back, C, set it up, D, set it out. Your time starts now. And the answer is C, set it up. It's used like this. They set up a new business last month. Don't forget to keep adding up all your scores so that you can put them in the comments at the end and we'll see who got the most. Next, to cancel an event means to A, call it back, B, call it out, C, call it off, or D, call it up. Your time starts now. And the answer is call it off. It's used like this. They called off the match due to rain. Next, asking someone to wait means telling them to A. Hang on, B. Hang up, C. Hang out, D. Hang over. Your time starts now. And the answer is A. Hang on. It's used like this. Hang on, I'll just get my coat. Next, when you organise something, you A. Sort it up. You B. Sort it through. You C. Sort it out. Or D. Sort it over. Time starts now. And the correct answer is C. You sort it out. It's used like this. I need to sort out my desk drawer. Next, starting a new hobby means you A. Take it up, B. Take it over, C. Take it in, or D. Take it back. Your time starts now. And the answer is A. You take it up. It's used like this. I've decided to take up tennis. Okay, add up all your scores and put them in the comments. Let's see who won this thing. And then click this video to test yourself again. I'll see you next time.